Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I got another day on the road with a breaking news update for you guys, and just saw some new information that I wanted to bring to our community here at the Crypto Report, because just the other day, I did a video like this where it was just me and the camera at my parents' house. I was just in the backyard having a day, having some thoughts. We had a flash crash happen for Bitcoin. And I think you guys just appreciated that emergency update and just that update of what was happening at the very moment in the market. So today's kind of a video like that where I'm going to break down exactly what's happening for Bitcoin right now, talk about some big news relating to Bitcoin versus the banks, the size of Bitcoin, and kind of what we see coming next, and some stories that are just catching my attention today. So stick around to the end on this one, guys. A quick video for you. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back, guys. We do have some sign-up links as well. If you guys want to get free money when you sign up for FOMC, you can check that out. A great leverage trading platform, up to $4,100 sign-up bonus if you want to check it out. It's there for you, because right now is a time of volatility, my friends, and in the next week, actually next week, we have another FOMC meeting coming in the month of June, which is going to bring more volatility to this market. So let's talk a little bit about that. What can we expect with the Fed rate cuts or rate hikes or rate pauses this week? Well, it's already come out, guys, and this is exactly as everybody's kind of seeing it happen. The Fed is going to do another FOMC meeting. They're going to give an announcement, and that announcement will likely probably cause some fear in the market, in my opinion. The reason being is because we right now see Canada actually lowering their interest rates. We now saw the European central banks choose to lower the interest rates for that area of the world as well. But yet in the United States, we are still battling with inflation, and the Fed is likely this next week going to decide not to pivot, not to lower the rates, but to keep the rates the same. So that is something that you guys need to be aware of. Now, this could already be baked into the price action for Bitcoin, and so there are a couple reasons to expect Bitcoin to just continue to go up due to just kind of the greater bull market that we expect. So let's talk a little bit about that greater bull market in the narrative going on, and a news story that I want to tell you guys about here in this one. So today I was just looking on Twitter as I was kind of driving along here, came up across this one tweet that I just thought it was an interesting fact about Bitcoin that I wanted to share with you. There is no doubt that Bitcoin is bigger than it's ever been before. In fact, it's at a $1.2 trillion market cap about. So the overall amount of money that's invested into Bitcoin specifically, which is 53% of the entire crypto market, is about $1.2 trillion. Well, I came across this fact that you guys might find interesting today. And what if I told you that if you take the top 3 banks in the world and you add up the total amount of money in those banks, the top 3 banks in the world, there is more money in Bitcoin than those top 3 banks. That is the point in time in history where we are at. Also, earlier this week, there was a story that came out about presidential candidate Trump, who came out and said that he is the first crypto president, right? Right now, he is trying to run for the office. We'll see what happens. A big election this year, 2024 in the U.S. Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has said some pro-crypto things. The Biden administration has said some pro-crypto things, though they recently vetoed a pro-crypto bill in the House. And then you have the Trump administration also coming out and saying that Trump wants to be the first ever crypto president. So we had this flash crash earlier this week. I gave you guys an emergency update. I told you guys that I believe that this price action is going to be short-lived for Bitcoin. And matter of fact, we were looking at the fact that there was some short squeezes, right? Some people betting against Bitcoin going up that I was looking at above the $72,000 price level. $9 billion worth of short squeezes that are just begging to get squeezed to send the price of Bitcoin further up. Recently, we had a couple long liquidations. That's what that flash crash was about. And I came to you guys with an update saying, I think this is going to be short-lived. I think we're going to get a rally back up. So far, we have held strong at that $69,000 price level. Again, very key support for Bitcoin at that $69,000 price level, because that is the 2021 previous bull market high. So guys, looking forward to this week, thinking about the narratives at play, there is a good chance that there could be some fear right around that FOMC meeting. But I do believe that after we get past that meeting, there is good news headed into the future. Eventually, the Fed is going to have to pivot. We see the European central banks pivoting. We see Canadian banks pivoting. The Fed in Canada, the Fed in the European area of the world pivoting to go and start lowering their interest rates. Eventually, the U.S. has to hop on board, and especially with the presidential election coming up, they're going to have to for probably political reasons as well. So in the meantime, guys, what are my thoughts for Bitcoin? Well, I expect us to hold strong at this $69,000 price level because this is key support from the last bull cycle. And I expect us to attack those $9 billion worth of shorts, but we have to look out for the volatility around the FOMC. We could get a big dip, maybe some more liquidations on the long side before we go after those $9 billion worth of shorts just begging to be liquidated around $72,000 to $75,000 for Bitcoin. Altcoins, I believe, will follow Bitcoin's price action, and that has not changed. That's something we've been talking about for a while. But there's my quick update for you guys today. An interesting fact, more money invested in Bitcoin than in the top 3 banks in the world combined. That shows you how strong this asset class is. This shows you where cryptocurrency and Bitcoin are headed. I'm ready for the bull market, guys. If you are, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you're holding Bitcoin. Are you buying more Bitcoin? Are you buying altcoins? If you have any questions, please throw them at me in the comments down below. But there's my quick update for you guys today. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash your like, subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, do not forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research, and of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos later today. As always, check them out, guys. See you next time. Peace.